8. Facebook marketing basics. Facebook advertising is more than just being present in the social media. As in the genuine world, the object of online marketing is the same: to deliver special selling points and increase your sales. The only difference with online advertising is that it enables advertisers to have a closer and more individualized technique in delivering their ads. This is the first thing you have to decide whenever you desire to engage in any marketing activities. How much money can you spend for advertising? Not recognizing your budget may just result in overspending and low profits. Facebook marketing provides two payment alternatives. Either you pay per click, you just pay when somebody clicks on your advertising, or per 1,000 impressions. You pay every 1,000 times that your ad has been shown. Your next choice is to set either a day-to-day or a long-term marketing budget. For your daily budget, you have to set a particular amount that you're ready to spend on advertising each day. If you desire to develop and handle a huge following, you should acquire a comprehensive understanding of how your rivals have been doing in the market. Find out from their experience and follow their desires. Tools that you may require in your marketing campaign include blog, Twitter, YouTube. Make sure you have accounts in these sites so that you have a tactical place where you can bring your fans when the requirements to drive them away from Facebook comes. As in any marketing project, knowing your target users on Facebook is essential. With Facebook, you can pick the groups of users for your advertisements to reach based on age, location, and gender, relationship status, college, and interests. Social media marketing is a day and night job, and you shouldn't expect yourself to be capable of managing it alone. Make sure you choose somebody who composes well, are creative, sensible, and devoted. Determine your business with influential business or individuals. If there is any prominent blogger or social networks activist who has revealed interest in your company, make certain you preserve your relationship with this prominent individual and get him to like your fan page or display screen ad in the future, as this would resemble taking advantage of all his fans who would just follow his suggestions. If a blogger with over 1 million followers gets to like your item, simply envision how many doors of chances would open for your business. Every business needs to understand whether their ad campaign is working or needs some fine tuning. Prior to launch your very first Facebook marketing, make sure you understand which tool you require for this function. Creating your messages for your advertisements is maybe the most time-consuming and challenging job. You require to recognize the purpose of your advertisements or what your audience is to do. Start marketing. Facebook adverts. Facebook advertising is more than simply being present in a social media. The only difference with online marketing is that it permits advertisements to have a closer and more personal technique in providing their ads. For your day-to-day budgeting plan, you have to set a particular quantity that you are prepared to invest on advertising each day. As in any marketing project, knowing your target users on Facebook is essential. Before you launch your very first Facebook advertising, make sure you know which tools you need for this purpose, as I said. I hope some of this has helped you. If you want more help, I have a channel on YouTube which is all about making money from home and working from home and starting business from home. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. There are over 380 videos on that channel. I know, I've done them all. That's once more YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366 for helping you to start a business from home and making money. So, as I'm doing a bit of adding myself, Desktop Lightning. Now this is a program that sends out your ads. Join it. I recommend it. It's a website that gets in visitors and sign-ups. I have only been doing this for just over 48 hours and I am already 5 levels deep. So I recommend Desktop Lightning. And the other one, which I definitely recommend, Spin Rewriter. Now I was trolling all over the internet to find good scripts for all you out there. Copy day by day, search day by day. Everything I copied I had to put into Spin Rewriter anyway, because I couldn't just put it straight in a blog, otherwise I could get done for copywriting. So why am I saying Spin Rewriter? Well, they came up with a lifetime offer, which I took, and I was glad I took it, because now, instead of trolling the internet for information, having to rewrite everything, I joined their lifetime program for $195 or $197, and in that program, in your lifetime membership area, there is a block where you can put all keywords you want to use, and they come with 50 scripts. All scripts you can use already done for you with all your own keywords in. Now that saves so much time that I'd recommend it to anybody. So where are we now? Below my video there's a thumbs up. Please click the thumbs up and subscribe. This helps me with YouTube. Also, if you would like a video information sent to you when I do another one, only if you enjoy me. You don't have to enjoy me, just find it a bit entertaining. What was I saying? Going to me head, see? Yeah, there's a bell up the top. Click on the bell and press all next to it. You'll get informed when I put another video up. Now, below my video is full of links, as I just spoke about 3 of them. They're all affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs. There's also tools, links to tools I use to this day, all underneath my video. If you decide to have a look and like any of the programs or the tools and join or purchase, I get paid a small commission. This is the way the internet works. I think if you get going, you'll be doing just the same. You have to earn commissions. So you have to put your links out there. They click on your links. You get the money for the commission. So all the best in your ventures. I don't know what you're going to do, but Facebook is good. And I wish you all the very best once more. and my name's Ian Jackson. Please subscribe, press the like button, and thank you for being here. Hope you come back again. Cheerio and all the best.